Welcome to Connect with Animals channel, where we explore the fascinating world of wildlife together. Today, you're about to step into a truly unique and mysterious aspect of nature: the ability of animals to change their gender. Have you ever imagined a male fish turning into a female? Or a female frog suddenly transforming into a male within just a few days? What sounds impossible actually happens in the wild. And beyond that, it's a brilliant survival strategy to help ensure the continuation of a species. Stay with us until the end, because the final animal on this list might just blow your mind. It doesn't just change gender once, but can do it multiple times in its lifetime.
1. Clownfish. Everyone knows the cheerful clownfish from the movie Finding Nemo. But did you know all clownfish are born male when the dominant female dies? The largest male in the group will change into a female to maintain the reproductive balance.
2. Grouper. Groupers are sequential hermaphrodites. They often live solitary lives, and when they reach maturity, they can switch from female to male if necessary.
3. Bluehead wrasse. This fish can change its gender in just a few hours to a few days. When the dominant male disappears, the largest female rapidly transforms into a male to take over reproductive duties.
4. Cleaner shrimp, Lismata amboinensis. Here's something fascinating. These shrimp are simultaneous hermaphrodites, meaning each individual is both male and female. They can mate with any other member of their species.
5. Whiptail lizards. What's special about this species is that they are all female. Yet, they reproduce through a process called parthenogenesis, where eggs develop without fertilization.
6. Reed frogs. Some frog species can change gender depending on environmental or hormonal cues. When males are scarce, certain females switch genders to take on the breeding role. Scene: frogs in a humid environment, leaping onto leaves and making their distinctive calls.
7. Crayfish. Freshwater crayfish have complex reproductive cycles, and certain species in this group are capable of changing gender to adapt to survival needs. 8. Sea cucumber. Don't let the odd appearance of sea cucumbers fool you. These fascinating creatures act as nature's vacuum cleaners on the ocean floor, and some species have the remarkable ability to change their sex depending on environmental conditions, especially when the opposite sex becomes scarce. This adaptive strategy ensures that reproduction continues even in the deep and unpredictable waters they call home.
9. Swordtail fish. Swordtails are popular in home aquariums. But here's something few people know: they can change sex even after reaching maturity. Some females develop male characteristics, such as the elongated tail fin, and begin acting as males during courtship. This stunning fact challenges the belief that an animal's sex is always fixed at birth.
10. Parrotfish. With their vibrant, rainbow-like colors, parrotfish are true jewels of the reef. But what's even more fascinating is that they can change sex multiple times during their lives. If the dominant male disappears, a female quickly transforms, growing male organs and taking charge of the group. These fish are also crucial for reef ecosystems, helping to keep algae in check.
11. Nudibranch sea slugs. Colorful, flamboyant, and otherworldly nudibranches, or sea slugs, are truly living gems of the ocean. They are simultaneous hermaphrodites, meaning each individual has both male and female reproductive organs. During mating, they exchange sperm with each other, and both can lay eggs.
Apple snail. Apple snails are popular aquarium snails. But did you know that some individuals can switch sexes depending on environmental cues? When population density is low, this flexibility helps them survive and reproduce even when potential mates are scarce.
13. Swordfish. Often admired for their speed and power, swordfish are rarely associated with sex change. But some populations have shown that females can transition into males to help balance sex ratios within the group. This challenges the idea that only small or reef-dwelling fish possess this trait.
Mushroom coral. Mushroom corals are among the few coral species that can change sex multiple times throughout their lives. When stressed or exposed to changing environments, they can shift from male to female, or vice versa, to maintain reproductive balance.
15. Jellyfish. Some jellyfish species are more flexible than we thought. When faced with changing environments or physical stress, they may develop into the opposite sex. And let's not forget the immortal jellyfish, Torotopsis dohrnii, which can reverse its life cycle, eventually turning back into a younger form.
Crabs. While rare, some crabs raised in artificial environments have shown sex-changing behavior when separated from mates. This suggests that even crustaceans might possess some hidden flexibility in sexual development, a discovery that could change how we view marine biology.
17. Flatworms take reproduction to a whole new level. As simultaneous hermaphrodites, they engage in something known as penis fencing, a duel to determine which one gets to act as the male. After all, being the one to lay eggs is much more energy.
Starfish. Starfish are known for their ability to regrow limbs, but did you know? Some species can also change sex as they mature. They often begin life as males and later transition into females, producing more eggs and increasing reproductive success.
19. Mugger crocodile. Mugger crocodiles don't switch sex as adults, but their offspring's sex is entirely determined by nest temperature. A few degrees of difference during incubation can flip a hatchling's fate, turning a would-be male into a female, or vice versa.
Coelacanth. Thought to be extinct for over 65 million years, the ancient coelacanth is full of surprises. Some researchers believe they may exhibit extremely slow sex changes, possibly spanning years, a rare trait for such a large, deep-dwelling species.
Conclusion. From deep oceans to tropical reefs, from soft-bodied slugs to ancient fish, the animal kingdom shows us just how flexible and fascinating nature can be. Sex isn't always fixed. For many animals, it's just another amazing tool for survival. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Join us again next time on Connect with Animals channel, where curiosity meets the wild.